Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is a video about my first vote. I kid you not, the two things that I've wanted ever since I was a child and in school was number one, to get a driving license, and number two, to be able to vote. And I'm not making this up for the sake of this video. I really wanted it. And as soon as I turned 18, I got both these things done. And I think it's so important. But most people don't get it done, and that's not very cool. You should have your voter's ID because it's so important as a citizen to exercise this right of voting. But more than that, I used to see my parents and my grandparents, have the mark that they put after you vote, and I used to see that and I used to really feel like voting. And I remember when I was like in school, like 7 or 8 years old, I used to take a marker and I used to make the same line on my finger because I was so interested in it. And now finally I get to vote for the first time. But this is the day before the actual day. The voting day is tomorrow, Monday the 20th. I just thought of starting the vlog right now. Also, no political views, nothing of that sort is going to be spoken about in this video. It's just a day in my life, but voting edition.
I'm just gonna go vote and come back.
Okay.
Just tell your feelings about your first time voting.
It's exciting, interesting. I have to wake up early.
What time are you going?
I have no idea. I just have to go early.
I'll go by 7:30.
That early?
Matlab, my parents are like ki first only because otherwise it's very crowded. Before 9 so you have to
Yeah,
go,
before
na?
9 I'm going. Before 9 I'm going.
Yeah.
And vote everyone. Vote.
Vote.
Vote for... I was going to say vote for Rashid. Sorry. Vote for whoever you think is the best for India.
Yeah.
For our
Country.
beautiful country.
Yes.
All the best to everyone watching Rashi's channel.
Oh god. So I thought that I could vlog today's day as well a little bit because it's around 6:30 almost. And I'm just gonna have some dosa that my mother's made. And the Grand Prix is starting, racing, which I love, F1. It's in Italy this time, so really excited. As usual, Max is number one, but hoping that the Ferraris take the win this time. It's not begin yet, but it'll start soon. And I'm just having some dosa. I put egg on top of it, and my mother does sometimes because I like it that way. So it's the day of the trip.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Sorry, not the day of the trip, sorry. So it's the day of the elections and my face is not in the condition to be shown because I've just woken up like 5 minutes ago. But let's start by showing you all some coffee, which I begin my day with. I'm just going to apply some lip balm. I'm wearing like a cute kurti. And everyone's already leaving. And now I'm getting dressed. Already and leaving now to vote. So I'm wearing like a very cute kurti. Because I've seen this before. And my mom is refusing to come in the vlog. सकाळ सकाळी कसं वाटतं उठून?
चला मस्त वाटतं ना, असं दररोज उठायला पाहिजे.
तू रोज उठते एवढ्या लवकर?
जायला पाहिजे.
तू उठते का रोज?
हो, मी दररोज उठते.
आजोबा म्हणायचे म्हणजे अर्ली टू बेड अर्ली टू राईज मेक्स मॅन हेल्दी वेल्दी वाईज.
Now going to vote and excited. Done with voting. Done with my first vote, and there are many votes. But yes, done with my first vote. She's not put it properly because I had nail polish. But yes, done. Aba, तुमचा finger दाखवा voting चा. Done voting. First vote. I was just really excited for this. I know I might be excited more than most people. For most people, it's like a normal thing. But I don't know. These are some things that do excite me, and obviously it is exciting, right? And it's only like 7:30. We went at 7. We left at 7:10. So we reached then in around like 10 minutes we were done. So thankfully we reached like early, but despite that there was crowd. Like people were coming in even early in the morning, and it was not like completely quiet or anything like that. There were people, and there were people still coming in, but I know that by afternoon it'll be crazy and there'll be a lot of people and a huge crowd. So good we went early in the morning and got done with it. My parents and grandparents always go early in the morning, but the first time I went, when they used to go, I used to be like sleeping. But yes, today I went as well, and thankfully, so there were many like sections, right? And the section that we had less people, so we got done very fast, and the voting machine and everything, it's really cool. I know I'm sounding like one of those people that has seen something for the first time, but y'all get it, right? When y'all have only heard about it and the first time you see it, it is exciting. I had nail polish on, so that's why she only put it here, and then it wasn't really visible, so the other lady just drew this line so that it is more visible that yes, I have cast my vote. And I think I'm going to give a call to my Nana Nani and ask them as well if they're done with voting, because even they go really early in the morning. They're extra punctual, so they must have gone at like 6:45, 6:50 only and sat and gotten done with their voting. It's still only 7:30, very early. Now let's see what I do in the day. I might vlog a little bit of the day as well, because the vlog is still very short. So done having a bath. Oh my god, my dark circles are seen so much in this camera. But done having a bath, and my mother's actually making watermelon sorbet, and we saw this recipe online on Instagram and I sent it to my mother, which I always do. So the recipe is going to be up on her YouTube channel, but nonetheless I'll show a little glimpse in this vlog as well, because I might just help her now. It's 9:30 now. It's been a while since I came back home. And yeah, let's go and make some watermelon sorbet, because it's much needed during the summer season. I hope it turns out well though. It's taking a lot more time than expected. On the reel they showed it so nicely and easily, but it takes time. The sorbet is made, so now let's dig into it. Taste test time. It's still a little watery. It's nice. We've topped it off with some salt. It tastes amazing with the salt. Oh my god. Obviously, you'll understand it's homemade, but it's still very good to beat the heat. And with this, let's end the video, because I have to post this vlog on the same day that I'm filming. And I think I might post this before 6 p.m, which is when I believe the time to elect and to vote ends. So if y'all do watch this vlog, and I hope it reaches y'all, then y'all go and vote, and for whichever constituencies it's still remaining and they're still going to be voting, I hope all of y'all go and cast your vote. So that's it for the video. I hope y'all liked it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.